Hello, this is Renata Martinez with Think Reliability, and today I'm going to present facilitation tip number 14. In this tip, I want to explain how to place a cause that has previously been parked. So in facilitation tip number 9, I covered the benefits of parking a cause or placing it to the side, sort of tabling that conversation so you can keep the group focused on one topic at a time. With this specific tip, I want to cover a few questions that will help you place those causes once you're ready to add them into your cause map diagram. So these are the questions that will help you locate where that cause should fit into your diagram. Two of the more obvious questions are, what did this cause? So when you're looking at your parked cause, asking, what did this cause? Or what effect did this produce? Additionally, there are a couple other questions that, for me, they're just not as intuitive, so I want to cover those as well. Those include, if I took the cause away, which effect would I change, control, or mitigate? As well as, what does the opposite of this cause produce? So I realize that's a little bit confusing. So let's look at a specific example so we can start to apply those questions and see the process of working through placing a parked cause. So we had an impact to property equipment because the pipe needed to be replaced because it was experiencing wall loss or thinning. There was a hole in the pipe. The hole in the pipe was due to corrosion because it was identified that it was carbon steel pipe. As we're going through our investigation, someone mentions that water had accumulated inside of the pipe. During the discussion, I wasn't sure where this fit. So I captured the information and I parked the cause to the side. Now I'm ready to place that cause. So not knowing where it goes, I'm going to start on the left and I'm going to ask, what did this cause? So water accumulating in the pipe, did that cause the pipe needing to be replaced? Yes, but it's not very clear, so I'm going to continue to go to the right. So did water accumulating inside the pipe cause wall loss? So while it did, still not very obvious. So I'm going to continue to go to the right. So did water accumulating inside of the pipe cause corrosion? That seems to make more sense. So I'm thinking it fits there, but I'm going to go to the right one more just to double check. So did water accumulating inside the pipe cause carbon steel pipe? No. So it should become pretty clear that corrosion was caused by the pipe being carbon steel and the water accumulating inside of the pipe. Similarly, we had a parked cause that mentioned that the condition of the pipe was not recognized. So let's look at some of those less intuitive questions. So if I try to understand what did the opposite of this cause produce? So the pipe condition not recognized, the opposite would be that the pipe condition was recognized. What did that produce? Did that produce or cause the pipe needing to be replaced? That seems like where it fits, but let's go down. If we had realized the pipe condition, would that cause or produce wall loss or thinning? No. So then it becomes obvious that the pipe needed to be replaced because we had this thinning condition, the wall loss, and that condition, the pipe condition, the thinning condition was not realized prior to the hole. So caused us to replace the pipe. So this will give the investigation team an opportunity to understand, one, why the wall loss is occurring, and additionally some opportunities surrounding inspection practices or maintenance practices to better understand the condition of that pipe. If you used the question, if I took this cause away, which effect would I change, control, or mitigate? So if I took away the pipe condition not being realized, that means we did realize it, right? So that's the opposite condition. So you're essentially doing the same thing with this specific example. It becomes obvious that if I were to take that condition away, so if I would have realized the condition of the pipe, hopefully we would have been able to mitigate the entire replacement of that pipe. So that's it for facilitation tip number 14. I hope these questions help you identify where a cause is located within your cause map diagrams. Thank you. Bye-bye.